Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you one of the most common reasons why your iPhone isn't charging. Now, you could be plugging it in and it's only charging a little bit and then it stops. If that's the issue, let's go to settings right here. Scroll on down to battery and then make sure low power mode is turned off. So sometimes when you actually have this turned on, it doesn't really charge. I know it's kind of confusing, but I've noticed that in the past. So if this isn't the issue, what you could try doing is just force restarting it. So hold down the volume up, volume down, and then the power button. So let's do that now. Volume up, volume down, hold down the power button, and this will force restart your iPhone. And then you can plug it in and try a different cable, try a different power outlet, and just do a bunch of different combinations. Now, you could also try powering up your phone or charging it when the iPhone is turned off. So check the low power mode. That could definitely be your issue. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.